We're knocking out some pro tips today. Hey, it's Josh Rogers. If this is the first time we're meeting, I got a lot of YouTube videos for you to binge watch. I'm here on site in Silverleaf, and these are townhomes that are under construction, and I wanted to point out what is actually between each unit of the townhome so you can see in the construction process and wrap your head around it. This is, let's take a little bit further perspective out. Biggest, I think, concern when buying a townhome, not biggest concern, but people ask, how private is it? Am I going to be able to hear my neighbor? The answer is yes, you're going to be able to hear your neighbor. So that's really important to you. Don't buy a home connected to another home. You can see right now we're at the beginning stages of wood frame, and then there are walls separating each unit. This is a unit, that's a unit, here's a wall. Let's go take a look at this wall and see what it feels like and get an idea of what's involved here. If you've ever felt coral reef, this feels, it's like concrete, and it feels like the texture of coral reef, which is very porous and kind of sharp. This has got a fire rating. I don't know what it is. Probably a couple hour fire rating. But another key thing to see is that there's about an inch to 2 inch gap. It's an air barrier. It's a gap, and that's to help cut down on noise vibrating between the units. So, air barrier, fire rated wall. And that's completely sealed all the way through the unit. And then you can see on the other side, there's a fire rated wall there, and it goes up here. Now, this is an interesting question. Yeah, so it goes all the way to the roof. All right. You can see down there the 2-story units are finished. Right now they just have not put up the second story yet. And so here's the material right here that they'll be using higher. All right, so stick with me. We're here to give you some pro tips. We're helping families all over the country, out of town, in town, and they're texting me. So just like you should, just send me a text. My team and I are here. We got your back. We're gonna help you through the process, keep you up to date every step of the way, and be your boots on the ground. Also fill you in on the latest and greatest new releases, new communities, incentives, lots, communities, businesses. And if you wanna really stay up to date, go to stjohnsvip.com, stjohnsvip.com. That'll unlock a lot of videos that's going to be incredibly helpful for you. All right, I'll see you on the next video.